Okay. You already know from the description that this is going to be about LeLePosh. Miss Anya and Miss Debbie both use LeLePosh.
I mean, unless they just blindly click on videos without reading titles.
They could. I don't know. Do
know.
you guys know? I
It's a
don't
weird
know.
thing to do.
So, I watched Miss Anya's last LeLePosh haul. And yeah, she got a lot. Lord have mercy. But she zipped by these really cool looking brushes, and then she came back to him and said that they were weighted makeup brushes for people with arthritis. Well, this could not be a more perfect day for my brushes to come in, because I saw those and I told Jeremy about them, and he's like, we got to get them. I know. So, the reason I have not uploaded a video in the last couple of days is because I'm in so much pain that it's stupid. What, honey? No, I don't want that. So, these literally could not have come at a better time because my hands feel like they're on fire. So, we're going to try these out and see how well they work. So, where am I at? Right there. I might have to have Caitlin open this. Nope, I think I got it.
So I got the other one already ready for you.
Oh, did you open the other one?
Didn't look inside of it. I just took a plastic part off of it.
Okay, let's see. What is this?
It's cute.
Oh, it's a business card. Oh, okay, that's
Can you
cute.
see? Oh.
Okay. That's cute. Look at the little business card.
It's gonna be cute.
Okay.
They look cool.
They are so cute. They're pink and white.
Of course.
Of course. That's actually what I saw first. And it's a whole set, and it was $20, but Miss Debbie has a code, so that took $2 off.
Individually wrapped.
Yep. They're individually wrapped. There's eye brushes and face brushes. Now let's see. It doesn't say... Okay, it says LeLePosh right up there on the gold. I'm trying to see if it says like... So there's no actual... Ooh, that's soft. But, oh, those are nice.
It doesn't feel weighted.
Right here it does. Let's see. Yeah, it's right here. The weighted bit is this part here. You guys see that? This part here. Let me take... So what I'm going to do is, I know you're supposed to clean your brushes off. I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean them off. So these three, so this one's at an angle. You have to let him in. You can't do that.
Okay. 1 second, Lucy.
All right, hold on, let me... I never use brushes for what they were intended anyway, so I'm not worried about it. I'm going to take a makeup wipe. And I'm just going to wipe it down really good.
Oh, I could have done that.
You're okay, honey.
Well, no, I let Pandora out.
Oh.
She was looking at the door and looked back up at me and looked back at the door.
So this would be good for, like, the concealer. I'm kind of surprised. Well, maybe I'm not surprised. I mean, it's $20. So you could do your foundation with one of these. Probably this one, I bet. Okay, let's see. They are super soft.
What is this?
Which one?
It's like a round stabby.
This one would be for like powder, for you take up the powder for under your eye.
Oh.
I want to make sure I get right in there. Okay. Yeah. Or for like, yeah.
Contour.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, huh?
Because you have to...
I think this one, because this one's at an angle, so this one would be more for contour.
In your ear. Maybe it's more of a blush brush.
I don't know, it's at an angle. That's more for...
Maybe with more of a point, you could get a better contour.
You can use it however you want, Caitlin.
And then for your nose.
Yeah. I think that would be one of these. Oh, yeah, see how that one's... Oh, that's cool. That's angled. That one's angled, too. Like a little...
Probably this one. Another sharp tiny round one for your nose.
I'm just doing a quick clean.
I'm going to eat something.
Okay.
And I'm going to go grab the charger.
Oh, okay. We'll do some makeup here real quick because I want to put these to the test. Because now is the perfect time for that. And then, like I said, I will go clean these in a second. As soon as we get done. All right, so that's my quick cleaning job. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eye brushes. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 face brushes. And I think this one is the foundation.
And
What?
where's the plug-in?
The what?
The egg.
Oh, I don't know, honey. Is it in the kitchen when we did the last video?
Probably.
I'm going to say this one is probably for foundation. So that's what we're going to do. We'll do some of this. I'm going to use the Pretty Fresh to start. Apparently that didn't have a lid. I don't know why.
Lucy's following me like a little dog.
Well, he is a little dog. All right, so I'm just gonna put, this is the Becca primer. Actually, yeah, we'll just, you know what, let's just do this. We're just gonna put it here.
Danger.
Okay, come on, baby, you can do this.
Now I'm gonna go eat. You need anything?
I'm okay, honey.
Okay. Summon me if you need anything.
Yep. I need to see if she has any like bigger brushes. So the company LeLePosh, LeLePosh, The owner's name is Nina, Nena. She's super sweet. She has Instagram. She goes live on Instagram. What's up?
Nena?
Nena.
Oh.
Nina.
The way you said it is like you were thinking if that was the right one.
Well, yeah. You know what? Okay, never mind. Okay. So it makes it a little bit easier, yes, but my hands still hurt, so I mean, it's not going to take the pain away. That was driving me crazy. Okay. All right, let's go on to the foundation, and we'll just stick with Becca. All right. I'm just going to do one pump. So, yeah, I kind of wish it was a little bit bigger, but that's okay. It is a set, so I don't know. I almost wish it was a little bit bigger. Maybe that's just me. This does help though, the way these little bubble is right there. Now that I've done that, let's take one of my other brushes and I want to see what the difference is. We'll use this one because it's almost similar. So I'll use this to the other side. Yeah, I wish I had that little bubble in there now. Okay. Yeah, that actually does feel a lot better. That's so much easier, actually. I'm not having to worry about my grip because it's right there. It feels more secure. And I'm not having to push down on it nearly as hard. It's kind of like just moving my first finger here. That's kind of nice, actually. Okay. There's no streaks or anything. Okay. Interesting. So then, let's see. Those are all eye brushes. What else can we do? That one could, that's like The contour. That one could be too. This is kind of like a blush brush. See, I would just use this one for the concealer also. Shit. Okay. Hide the fact that I haven't slept in 2 days. That'll be good. It's all right, just for the sake of actually using all of them, I'm going to try this one. It's a little bit smaller. Oh, that's nice. See, now I could, maybe that one. Let's try this one. This one's like kind of at an angle. Oh, wow, that's nice. Oh, yeah. Miss Debbie and Miss Anya are always talking about LeLePosh. They both have their own collection of LeLePosh. And I have to be honest with you, I actually have a wish list. Oh, so I can't say nothing. Okay. These are nice, you guys. It's a nice wooden handle. I think this is kind of like a rose gold, and it's just, you know, printed LeLePosh. Little bubble. Huh. I'm just looking at them because it's my first time ever seeing anything like this. Okay. Okay. I'm good with that. Okay. So now what? So this would be for powder, I would say. Let me see. I'm going to take the Juvia's Place. This is a loose powder. Okay. Ooh, that came out a lot. Oh yeah. Especially if you wanted to pack it on there. Let's see. Yeah, see how it picks up that product? And you could literally, oh yeah, pack that shit on. Oh yeah. And that gets right up in the corner. Okay. Oh, I like this brush. Okay. You could even, like if you had, Miss Nina sells, which would amplify. It's like you can use it for an eye base. If you want to do bright colors, you could use that. You could use this brush to actually put that down. I bet that would be awesome. And that's actually on my list of things I would like to get from LeLePosh, from Miss Nina. So now here's another fluffy brush. Just take one of these. See, that's what I mean. You just move your first finger. It's like nice and cozy in there. And it's very effortless. Just taking that powder off. Or dispersing it, whatever you want to do. But it makes it super easy. Oh, I like that. It still hurts, but it's going to hurt no matter what you do. It just makes it easier and more comfortable. You're not worrying about how, I'm not worried that I'm going to lose the brush, I'm going to drop the brush. Because it's right there, it's cozy. I don't know how else to explain it. It's cozy. It's comfortable. I like that. Because normally, here, like this one here, is not, you see, and now it's going down. And I don't have much control over it. And this one, I feel like I could drop it like at any second. Okay. This one doesn't do that. She ain't going anywhere. I like that. Okay, let's do a bronzer with this one, because this one's at an angle, like it wants to be a bronzer. This is going to be interesting. Okay, so we're going to go into here. See, how am I going to do this? Is it this way, you think? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, that's so cool. All right. And then obviously you can use one of these other ones. That one I did foundation. You can use like this one for blush. Let's get some blush. So now again, just pick your angle. And I already know what, yeah. That picks up a lot too. Let's go in with this. Well, let's do this one and this one. Okay. Yeah, she's cute. She cute. Okay. Go in and do that bronzer. Nope, I need the other brush, don't I? Yeah. And although I really do wish there was a bigger brush, I could always lay everything down with this one and then go back in with something else, which it wouldn't be a brush because that's where I have a hard time. So I'm thinking I just go in with the Tati and just kind of blend everything out real good. But the fact that I have brushes now that I can even lay the product down with is really nice. Okay. So that's the makeup, the face brushes. I'm actually going to finish up with the eye brushes over on my YouTube channel. Nope, not YouTube. That's where I'm at now. I'm going to finish over on my Facebook. I'm going to go live over there and finish up with my eyes. So, oh, you know what? We need a highlighter. Oh, we could use this one for highlighter. And if you got an itch that's pointed, you just go like that. That's perfect. Okay, let's do this. Oh, that was way too much that came off. Holy crap. Hold on. Okay. Note to self, those brushes pick up a lot of product, so be careful. I'm like digging in like there's no other, but don't do that. So there we go. I just brushed it a little bit off. Okay, so these brushes are super nice. I really like them. My fingers fit straight up in there. It's nice and comfortable. You just have to move your first finger, or just move your hand, flick of the wrist. So I like them. They're so nice. They're weighted right here, which is where you want the weight. Golly, these are so pretty too. And they're $20 for the whole set. So you get 10 brushes, 5 face brushes and 5 eye brushes for $20. There will be a code linked down below. Oh, shit, hold on. So if you guys want to use it, you can save 10%. Or is it 20? 10%. 10%. It's $2 off of the 20, so it's $18. But by the time it's done with shipping and tax, I want to say it was 21 something. So there's the LeLePosh weighted brushes. These things, I love them. I love them. I wish there was a bigger face brush. Not much bigger, but you know, something like this would have been good. Just a little bit floofier maybe. Something maybe even this size, because if you look at the one that I used for the